Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the theme in Brave browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser loads up and you can see your main screen, direct your attention to the upper right corner. You'll notice three horizontal lines there, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three lines to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize different aspects of your Brave browser. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically in a panel. From these options, click on Appearance. This section controls how your browser looks, including themes, colors, and other visual elements that affect your browsing experience. Now that you're in the Appearance settings, you'll see an option labeled Theme. Click on this option to access the theme selection area. This is where you can modify the overall look and feel of your Brave browser interface, changing it from the default appearance to something that better suits your preferences. After clicking on Theme, you'll notice that the right panel updates to show you the available theme options. This is where you'll make your selection. Browse through the options presented in this right panel and click on your preferred theme. Whether you want a dark theme for easier viewing at night, a light theme for a cleaner look, or any other option that catches your eye, simply select the one that works best for you. The theme will apply immediately once you make your selection, so you'll be able to see the changes right away without needing to restart your browser. And that's it. You've successfully changed the theme in your Brave browser to match your personal style. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.